Today I am reviewing the MSI Codex Z2 gaming desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I have been putting the MSI Codex Z2 through its paces for the last 2 weeks, and I have some very specific thoughts on whether this machine is actually worth your desk space, or if it is just another pre-built that cuts corners where it counts. If you are curious about the current pricing or want to check the latest availability, you can find the link in the description below. Let's start with the elephant in the room, which is the performance. The combination of the Ryzen 7 8700F and the RTX 5070 is a heavy-hitting duo. In my testing, this machine absolutely crushed everything I threw at it at 1440p. If you are playing competitive shooters, you're going to be pegged to your monitor's refresh rate without breaking a sweat. When I moved over to more demanding titles with ray tracing enabled, the Blackwell architecture in the 5070 really started to show its worth. It feels like a genuine generational jump over the 40 series cards, especially when you are balancing high frame rates with visual fidelity. However, it is not all perfect. While the performance is fantastic, the cooling solution is a bit of a mixed bag. The 4-fan setup does a decent job of moving air through the chassis, but under sustained, heavy gaming loads, the system gets louder than I would prefer. It is not a jet engine, but you will definitely notice the fans ramping up during a long session of something like Cyberpunk or a demanding simulation game. If you usually wear a headset while you game, it will not bother you, but if you prefer open-back headphones or speakers, you might find the noise floor a little distracting. The build quality of the case itself is standard MSI fare. It is functional, it is clean, and the RGB lighting is easy enough to toggle using the physical LED button on the case. I actually appreciate that physical button. It is much faster than digging through software just to change the color of your lights. Speaking of software, the MSI Center Suite is pre-installed, and while it is useful for monitoring, I would recommend spending a few minutes cleaning up the startup apps when you first boot it up, as there is a bit of bloatware that comes standard with these pre-builts. One of the biggest disappointments for me is the lack of a more premium cooling solution for the CPU. The air cooler included does the job, but if you plan on doing heavy video editing or multi-threaded workloads outside of gaming, you might see those temperatures climb a bit higher than you would like. It is perfectly fine for gaming, but it is not the quietest or most efficient cooling setup on the market. Value is where this gets tricky. You are paying for the convenience of a pre-built, and that means you are paying a premium compared to building this yourself. If you are comfortable picking out your own motherboard, power supply, and case, you could probably save a few $100s or put that money into better cooling or more storage. But if you want a machine that works the second you take it out of the box and carries a factory warranty, the Codex Z2 is a solid choice. You can check the link below to see if the current price tag fits your budget, as these pre-built prices tend to fluctuate quite a bit. Who is this for? If you are a gamer who wants a plug-and-play experience and you have a 1440p or even a 4K monitor, this machine is going to make you very happy. It handles modern games with ease, and the RTX 5070 is going to keep this computer relevant for several years. Who should avoid it? If you are a tinkerer who loves to swap parts, upgrade your cooling, or obsess over cable management, you might find the proprietary layout of this pre-built a bit frustrating to work with. Likewise, if you are strictly on a budget and you have the patience to build your own PC, you are definitely paying a convenience tax here. Ultimately, the MSI Codex Z2 is a powerful, reliable gaming desktop that